Do you want to make an image and video just like this? Pero still confused at nahihirapan pa rin kayong gumawa ng sarili niyong prompt? In today's video, pag-usapan natin yan. How to make a prompt. First of all, what is prompt? Simplihan lang natin guys, no? Wag na nating incomplicated. Prompt is same as description or describe. Alam niyo yung describe? If alam niyo yung describe, that's prompt. Kaya maraming confused at nahihirapan kung paano ba gumawa ng prompt, etc. Dahil hindi nila alam kung ano ang i-describe nila. Ano ba ang i-describe nyo? So, wala nang ibang step kung ano-ano pa yan. Ito lang ang tandaan nyo guys. Ang i-describe nyo is your topic, ideas, imagination, and add a little bit or much more creativity. Yun lang. If wala kang topic, wala kang idea, wala kang imagination, wala ka ring creativity, paano ka makagawa ng sarili mong prompt? So yun lang ang need mo guys, wala nang iba. Guys, yun lang ang sundin nyo. If meron kayong idea, like for example, hinabol kayo ng zombies, if lumilipad kayo outside sa earth, yun, it's imagination, idea nyo yun, i-describe nyo lang. Don't make it complicated. So para mas maintindihan nyo ang pagpa-prompt and paano siya i-generate, so meron akong sample prompts dito. So this sample prompts is my own prompt, walang ChatGPT, walang iba, kundi sarili ko lang na imagination at pagdi-describe ko sa prompt ko. So I have two example guys, no, na prompt. So first is create an image of a cute baby pig flying through the sky with a parachute surrounded by mountains and clouds. She's smiling at the camera while holding it herself. So, pwede nyo naman Tagalog to guys, no? Ipa-translate nyo lang kay ChatGPT into English since some AI generator talaga is English only. Our second example prompt, a pirate ship slowly emerges from ocean, mist with dramatic twilight lighting with a gentle pull out. May magko-comment na naman dyan, saan ko to kinuha? Saan ko kinuha tong prompt na to? Like I said earlier guys, based to sa na-imagine ko or na-idea ko, and that idea, I turn it into text. So, tinype ko yan sa note ko. Ito, like I said kanina, if may idea na kayo, meron na kayong, alam nyo na kung anong gusto nyo na idea sa image or sa video ba yun, you just type it here guys. Pwede naman isulat nyo. So, or i-type nyo directly sa AI generator na gusto nyo. So, ito. So, create an image of a cute baby flying pig through the sky. So, dinescribe ko lang kung ano yung idea sa image ko. So, gusto ko yung baby pig na lumilipad sa sky, na nagparachute siya, tapos humawak rin siya ng camera. So, and she's smiling kasi happy siya while flying. And then also, itong second prompt natin is a pirate ship. So, malaking ship na slowly emerges sa ocean. So, naglalayak siya sa ocean. So, with dramatic twilight. So, yung background niya guys is, so gusto ko yung dapit hapon, twilight, with gentle pull out. So, ganon. Ganon ko siya describe. So, if may prompt na kayong ganito guys, all you have to do is copy it and i-paste nyo. Or i-type nyo na agad sa AI generator na chosen nyo. Depende na yon. So, make sure lang na for image siya, and for video rin siya. I-specify nyo rin yon. If yung AI tool is general, meron namang ibang AI tool na separated ang image at video. So in today's video, gagamitin natin ang Bing. So ipipaste natin to sa Bing, itong dalawa nating prompt. So copy it, kasi nasa note ko to. Ika-copy ko lang to at i-paste sa Bing. So ang Bing is separate ang kanyang image at video. So ipipaste ko lang sila. So first, sa image, and then second sa video para makita nyo ang difference. you don't need ChatGPT as long as you express yourself. Okay na yan. Kahit if Tagalog, you can just use ChatGPT para i-translate yung prompt nyo. Yan. If medyo nahihirapan kayo when it comes to describing talaga, you can use ChatGPT, Meta AI, Gemini, marami dyan guys. Don't just limit yourself sa ChatGPT. Pwede ang Meta AI dun sa Messenger. Pwede nyo gamitin yun. Don't limit yourself. If you're a business owner, you can just hire a AI prompt engineer / editor / creator like me, or you can just teach your employees or yourself, especially if you're small business. If you really want to use AI as your advantage in business. Pero if for personal use lang naman siya guys, just do it for fun. Huwag nyo nang masyadong i-pressure yourself.